How to update to iOS 26. Let's get started. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to install iOS 26 on your iPhone right now totally free and using Apple's official method. Launch settings, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. Wait for it to load and you will see a new option called Beta Updates. If you see this, great. Tap on it and select iOS 26 Developer Beta from the list. If it's currently showing iOS 18, just toggle it off and then back on. And iOS 26 should pop up. Now, if you don't see the beta updates option, don't worry. That usually means your Apple ID is not enrolled in Apple's developer program. But the good news, you can enroll for free. Let me walk you through it. So launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to this one website, developer.apple.com. Once you're in this website, click on two bars given at the top left. Select the option Account. Now use your Apple ID's credentials and log into your account. Complete two-factor authentication if required. Tap Trust if prompted. Scroll down and agree to the terms. Skip any customizations by tapping Not Interested, and you're officially in the developer program once you log into it. Now restart your iPhone to refresh the settings. Press and hold the side button plus volume up or down. Slide to power off, wait 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Then launch your Settings app, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. You should now see iOS 26 Developer Beta. Now go ahead and click on the option Update Now or Update Tonight and upgrade your iOS to iOS 26. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.